Is AI coming for your job? Is it coming for everyone's job? Maybe, maybe not. Honestly, no one knows what the future holds. However, OpenAI just announced a very, very interesting thing that anyone that is looking for a job, has a job, or might have a job in the future should be interested in. First, I think it's really important to just understand, yes, AI is going to disrupt the world, but it also has the potential to create more jobs and more economic impact than anything in the history of the world. So if you told someone, hey, we're about to create a technology that's going to be 1,000 times bigger than the Industrial Revolution, do you think they would be scared of job loss, or would they be like, wow, there's going to be a lot of jobs and a lot of productivity and a lot of just efficiency for the entire world? I think it's probably going to be the latter. So in this announcement, OpenAI talks about how they are not able to stop the disruption. I mean, the cat's been let out of the bag, if you will, and there's really nothing that they can do to slow it down. But what they can do and what they want to try to do is to help people become more AI fluent so that they use AI in their workflows, so that they understand it better, and so they're able to deploy it against all of the changes that are coming. Because the only thing more powerful than AI is a human with a specific domain expertise combined with AI. People are calling it AI to the U. So like basically like U squared, U to the AI, if you will. So as you probably know, ChatGPT has, I think it's 750 million daily active users, or maybe it's weekly active users, a massive number, and it's growing day by day, week by week, month by month. I mean, it's exponential, the rate that they're growing with. And so today, OpenAI announced a partnership with a lot of big companies such as Walmart, John Deere, professional firms like Indeed, the Texas Association of Business, the Bay Area Council, and even the state of Delaware to help them with the whole job process, helping people find jobs, helping people learn how to use AI to get better jobs. And I found this really, really fascinating. And so they have announced the AI Jobs Platform. And essentially what it is it's going to compete with tools like LinkedIn, because it's going to help employers find the perfect match for the employee that they're looking for. And they're going to do it through this OpenAI job system. They essentially want to streamline employee and candidate matching and do it in a way that's way more efficient, so that you don't have to filter through thousands of resumes and hop on hundreds of interviews. It's going to be streamlined and it's going to be easy for you to digest. So OpenAI Academy, which already exists, they're going to be having these OpenAI certifications. And just reading on the website, I mean, they're going to offer free in-app learning through the ChatGPT study mode, which is already live and it's really good. I played around with it. They're going to cover skill levels from basic AI usage to prompt engineering to AI customization for software. Their goal, this is crazy, their goal is to certify 10 million Americans by 2030. Walmart is going to be their premier launch partner. So this is a lot of change and a lot of innovation. And I think it's smart too, because in a way they're kind of getting out ahead of a public PR crisis that they're probably going to have. You know, the world's going to start freaking out. The job reports came in today and they're not looking good. Employees are cutting people left and right. And I think it's pretty inevitable what's happening to this world and to our economy. AI is eating it alive. And so OpenAI is trying to get ahead of this by helping people get jobs and saying, hey, look, we're the good guy. Don't be mad at us. We're doing everything we can. We can't stop the disruption, but we can help you get a job. And really, this all plays into a much larger thing, which is the White House trying to improve AI literacy. This is a huge prerogative of the Trump administration. They see AI as this kind of, I don't want to say existential threat, but something that's going to change everything. And what they're trying to do is they're trying to make the US more AI literate. There's a huge emphasis on AI empowering everyone and not just a select few. And you know, probably don't even need to get into that in this video, but as you can imagine, that's a big deal because they want to democratize the access to AI, and AI is the great equalizer. So if someone is a computer scientist, you know, how much of an advantage do they really have over someone that has access to artificial intelligence and is also very skilled in how they use it? It's 2025 right now. By the time 2030 comes, AI is going to have made such a significant dent into the economy and into the world. I'm not sure if people are going to love it, hate it, think it's their enemy or what, but this is a very interesting development, especially with OpenAI. You know, they're the leading research firm in artificial intelligence. To see the way that they're going about trying to get ahead of this, trying to help people get jobs. And really what we're doing is we're just stepping into a new world. We're stepping into a world where AI is the base layer of reality and you have to use it for everything you do. So the moral of the story for this video is, besides stay tuned for some of these updates on what's going on, do everything you can to become as AI literate as humanly possible.